welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna react to ATEEZ and Jong Kook. I don't know what it's called. And I don't even want to attempt it. I can't attempt it because I don't know Korean. So, yeah. But it just came out today. I thought it was an interesting mix. Them, Jong Kook with ATEEZ. I never saw that coming. But yeah. I wonder how his voice is gonna mix with theirs. I don't know. Let's just get into it. I'm sure it's gonna be like an energetic, bright summer song. Okay, we got some waves going. This is awkward. This does sound like an old school song, like a first gen song. Oh wait, is Mingy back? KJK. Okay. Okay, so Wooyoung and Yoonho? Oh, whoa, this rap came out of nowhere. Who is that? Who's the other guy in this? Oh, Mingy. This Mingy, right? He's back. He hasn't had a part yet, though. This dance. This is such first gen vibes. This is such a fun collaboration. It's a big pool. Oh God. That was really high. Oh my, it's so high. It's like the swimming coach there. Did Mingy even have a part in that? I did see him, so I know he's in there. I just didn't see him have a part. Wow. I wasn't expecting it to have, I mean, I guess I should have since Jong Kook's there. But that was real first gen vibes. I mean, it did feel nostalgic for me, not because I listened to K-pop, you know, during the first gen times, because I didn't start listening to K-pop until like, oh, when would it have been? Like 2008? Probably 2008. So like around when SHINee came around, SHINee, 2PM, those groups. But I did watch X-Men, which was a really big Korean variety show at the time. And I think that was like 2004, 5. I don't know, somewhere around there. And that was a really fun show, and they had a lot of first gen idols on it. And then like I think some second gen was sprinkled in there, like Suju. I think Suju might have been the only one. DBSK. I think those were the only two that I know of. But that was a really fun show, and so I've seen that show and some other shows where I knew some first gen idols, and I know the sound, and this sounded so much like it, first gen. So it was still nostalgic to me, even though I didn't listen to it in the time. But yeah, that actually, they sounded really good together. It's really good. And Minky's back. I'm sure everybody's happy about that. You know, I didn't feel the full impact of it because I didn't start getting into them until like Kingdom. So Minky was already on his hiatus. So I don't know much about him. But yeah, it's nice to have him back. Hopefully his mental state's a lot better. Yes. This is so good. I wonder if they're gonna actually like promote it, because I don't know if this is a like real comeback or not. Yeah. Oh, I just read this comment and it says that I guess Jong Kook saw ATEEZ, like how talented they were, and decided to like hit them up and do a collab with them. Oh, it must be so nice for them, since he is like legit big Sunbae, you know, to be acknowledged like that. And not even that, but to have them want to do a like collaboration with you. But yeah, that was so fun. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like the video, comment down below what else you want me to react to, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. All right, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.